Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I think you guys will see me going up the ladder a little bit, and let's hope some fruits will start falling. So let's do it. It's a beautiful morning. It's still a little wet from last night's rain, but before climbing the ladder I will tap the ones that I can tap without getting into the tree. So here goes one. Woo. Yes, sirree, Bob. There's another one. Start filling up the bag. Start filling up the bag with our goodies. Goodies. Let's see how many more goodies we can see. There's a goodie. Oh, yes. Woo, another goodie. In essence, I see some I don't even have to get the stick. Oh, amazing. But guys want to know what's amazing is, let me quickly show you. I just noticed out of the corner of my eye. I got my eye on the lemons, but check these bad boys out, guys. Wow, those are some massive cacao. Oh, and they are ripe. So, gonna have a little cacao party today, as well as well, mainly I'm getting all the I'm mainly getting all the cider, so I can make a nice lemonade later. And of course, that first one I got as I first approached. In the bag they go. Wow, this bag isn't that big, but it's already filling up. Well, anyways, guys, that first one I got, first thing, that amazing bad boy is gonna go right into my first midday tea. So let me see if I could balance this out again. Right, there we are. Yeah, I'm out here for cider, but all of a sudden, boom! Out of the corner of my eye, I see a couple of beautiful cacaos. I actually gotta probably walk the land tomorrow for cacao. So let us see any other ones I can knock down. Mochki. Tengo bastante sidra. Bastante, sí, mira el árbol. Cuando no tiene nada, es erecto. Mira, bastante fruta. Más tarde lo vende. Pero no, tiene bastante, pero mira, baja de árbol baja. Normalmente es erecto, pero ahora esto, sí, esto no necesito, yo tengo otro. ¿Cuál? Sí, lleva. Es buena madera. Sí, buena madera. Right. My neighbor's passing through. They're going up. Remember, guys, you saw the fire yesterday. Well, they're going out there today to plant, because it's all burned out, you know, the old slash and burn method. So they are going over there today. They're going to plant the little baby little platano trees. In a minute, guys, we'll go over there. I'll record a little bit of a movie. Let me just get the good ones and. Let me just get the good ones and we'll be in biznatch. Biznatch. It's funny when you got to kind of circle around and get an estimate with any fruit, because like the way that the sun bounces off of them, they sort of blend in with the leaves, and from one side they look a little like they look green, but then you look from the other side where the light where it's out of the shadow, and it's like, wow, it's beautiful like bright yellow and orange. But then, like, they tend to disguise themselves quite a bit. Hey guys, getting there, almost filling up the bag. But yeah, guys, these Cider lemons, you have to knock them down. You have to knock them out of the tree, and then it takes like a day or two. Some of them are a little more yellow, but as soon as they start going yellow like that, within like 2-3, 4 days, kind of like avocado, which down here in the Amazon we call palta. Nobody knows what avocado means around here. But yeah, like these are kind of like avocado, because what happens is when they ripen, like super ripen, and then they fall down, like you better be there that day to pick them up, because like within literally 12 hours, they'll start to go. They'll start to go because these are purely organic. So, like when you're collecting, when they fall down, you better get them like within 12 hours because then they'll start to kind of mold up, really quickly. They're still good. They're still good. I mean, I've eaten them like that. You could put like, you could like macerate them and stuff, and you know, make like a compote, out of them, or just regular lemonade or whatever. You know, you put a little sugar. You know, brown sugar works really well. But yeah, I think we're good. There's only a couple here and there, but I'll get them. But yeah, check it out. We pretty much got a whole bag of fruit this morning. So guys, hasta la ciao ciao, bye for now. Over and out from the Amazon. I will catch up with you in the next episode. I'm gonna go over there and see how they're planting their machkis. We'll talk a little bit about them. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Thank you for tuning in.